Hi everyone, Leslie from Discovery Fabrics, and I'd like to talk to you today about a couple of the Neoshell hard shells that we have in stock right now. We've recently been getting questions about what fabrics in the Neoshells would be good for making kids pull-on play pants or really durable kayaking jackets, or just something when you need a lot of durability and you're looking for something that's basically a waterproof membrane and very breathable. So although we have a ton of Neoshell, as you can see over here, there's just dozens of styles. It really ranges from the lightest weights with a little bit of stretch to some real rigid fabrics with a little to no stretch. And it's the rigid fabrics that you're going to want if you're looking for durability, particularly in children's wear. So we have two styles we're featuring today. This one right here is style 6754 Neoshell. It has no stretch. This is a mustard color, and this is what we call blue-green. Now, what I recommend these for is if you're looking for something really durable to make kids muddy buddies, which is actually just a pull-on play pant for the rain. It has no stretch, as you can see. It's very beefy. It's about 5 ounces per square yard. That's around 172 GSM, or grams per square meter. Very, very water repellent, as is all Neoshell. But even though you see the water repellency on the outside here, really it's the membrane that's hidden in between the face of the fabric and the backing that is really, really waterproof and breathable. And this particular style has a jersey back. You can see that it's actually wicking on this side, which means it's going to move water away from your body. And then it's the other side that is very, very water repellent. And again, the waterproof breathable membrane is hidden inside. So these are two styles that are really great for durability. One of the reasons that they are so durable is because they have a very high nylon content, and nylon is more durable than polyester. So this particular style has about 70% nylon. The other style I want to talk to you about, we've had it actually for some time in the store, and it is style 66002. We do have some new colors here though, and I just wanted to feature these new colors. You'll notice that, well actually I think Martha is showing you some of the colors here. We have more that we don't have on here, and you can obviously see them when you go to look at the website. But I wanted to show you that the backing on this particular fabric is different. It's not jersey, it's actually a tricot backing, which is very soft against the skin as well. What it has in common with the other style, and of course all Neoshells, is that it has that special membrane. And how the membrane works is that it allows the molecules of sweat or moisture from your body, which are very tiny, to escape through the membrane, so it's very breathable. But it will not allow a molecule of rain to come through, because rain molecules are actually larger than vapor molecules from the body. So that's what makes it waterproof and breathable. We are featuring all these fabrics this week, and we're going to put them on sale. Regular $45 a yard for $29. So that's an incredible value. You're going to be able to get these and use them if you're making yourself a jacket that does not require stretch, because these are not stretch fabrics, but really good to make yourself a wearable muslin if you're not used to working with technical fabrics. You can make everything from jackets to pants to gaiters, mittens. There's so many things that you can make with Neoshell. So I hope that explains the new, more durable styles to you. And if you have any questions, you know where you can ask them in our Facebook group, So Inspired by Discovery Fabrics. See you later.